I always believe in investing in growth, and it was an absolute affirmation that I need to continue to invest because it got me inspired again. It got me excited to go back to work.
The workshop was fantastic. A lot of little nuggets of wisdom where how to approach a patient, how to deal with the rebuttals, how to deal with objections. What I got the most out of it is focusing on the culture of our office, how to really remind our guys of why we're doing what we're doing.
I think the support, the marketing support that we get, I mean, we have questions or concerns about anything. We can always call somebody, we can always talk to somebody. They help us with our website setup, lead generation. I mean, the support is the biggest thing I think from Gainswave.
You know, like I said, I think everybody should invest in themselves, and this is something that is absolutely worth it. It's worth the money, it's worth the time. It's just an exceptional program.